before we get into the video, let's get into the build. I'd like to emphasize stock block, stock trans, stock unported intake manifold, stock throttle body, ESS G3x, 100mm pulley, 6 rib, fore fuel system, E85 1000cc injectors. We did do oil pump gears, crank sprocket, upgraded crank bolt, headers, full exhaust, you know, drag pack, Pobby Stars plastic dipped in the front, Mickey Thompson's VMS in the rear, 315s actually, not 305s, I know. And then some BMR goodies. We do have the BMR Bread and Butter 2 kit in the rear. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Pretty simple build. Like I said, I can't emphasize enough. Stock block, stock trans, over 1,800 plus hits, stock intake, unported manifold. Like, there's a lot of room to be gained on this Mustang still, but we're keeping it basic, simple. So let's get into the video. Over here we have an official IMS 1000 TTRS, you guys. You guys know it. You guys already know. This pink TTRS is the real deal. Chrome plated, platinum plated intake. Oof. So shiny, so expensive. Dang. Yeah, pretty much it's a very fast car, you guys. And it hurt the Mustang. But yeah. Over here we have an IMS 850 Master Stephen. We did lose. It's okay. We did lose. It was expected to. It was expected that we would lose to this, but nonetheless, we gave it all. It was a good race. I think it's a very, very good race, to be honest. But nonetheless, solid research. These guys are from like South Dakota or North Dakota. Let me know what you guys think. I know. We lost to the pink TTRS and we lost to the Rs3. I thought this Mustang was beating Rs3s and TTRSs. Well, we ain't making no excuses, but that's when my fuel pump died. If you guys were out there, it died Friday night. If you guys watch my other Power Cruise videos, like when we actually went out there, where I vlogged everything, like Friday night, the second session, it died. Second session, Mustang having some issues. Oh, we ain't got no more fuel pressure. No more fuel pressure. We drove back to the cities. Holy smokes. Did you guys see any of that? Wow. Picked up a new fuel pump. Lightly used fuel pumps. Went all the way back up. Installed it. It ran great for the first session again on Saturday. And then the second session, it died. So, yes, we did race the other Rs3s early in the day. Had great success. It ran fine. And then fuel pumps died, crapped out again. So we don't know what exactly happened other than dead fuel pump, really. And that's why we changed the whole fuel system up now. So hopefully we don't have that issue again. But now I'm really kind of nervous about having the fore hat back in there because you can't really run it under half tank anymore. At least for what we do, you know, going around the laps and taking turns and stuff. So now it really, really sucks. So I don't know. I guess trial and error. We'll see what works, see what doesn't work. I really like the radium hat. It really allowed us to have fun at quarter tank, but that could be also why the fuel pumps died, maybe. I don't know, but I thought that fuel hat was supposed to be basically so I could run it low, have wide open throttle pulse, blah, blah, blah. So I don't know too much about that. We just know we still had dead fuel pumps. And now we're back to the fore system. So I'm pretty sure we're going to have dead fuel pumps again. So I don't know. We just go with the flow here, see what works, see what doesn't work. Ultimately, we should go to a real surge tank and set up. And I'm kind of done spending money like that. So I hope that this works. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. But nonetheless, I don't know. It's cool to race people, different people, right? Because you guys are tired of seeing me racing the same Rs3s over and over again. It's cool to see a pink and red TTRS. I think that's cool. And they are tuned by a different tuner. I'm not going to drop these guys' names, but we've been racing, I would say, the same IMS 1000 cars, but different tuners. And you guys know different tuners do different things, different sauce. It's just like my Mustang majed versus Lund, you know. We've been clapping up all of them Lund boys out there locally, and that it is what it is. I don't know. So different tuner. They are also running different gasoline. They're not pumping E85 like everyone else that was at the gas station. They bring their own barreled custom mix stuff. So I don't know. I think that has something to do with it too. They are quite a bit faster than the locals here, even with a smaller turbo. So I think that's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see different tuners. Even though it's the same build, different tuner, different gas, does absolutely crazy things. But just want to keep the video short. Good race. We'll see what happens in 2024 season. They are going to be a lot faster. I'm still going to be the same old. So it is what it is. And we're just out there having fun because they've replaced their engines now. So I'm okay with having stock engines still. I think they're going fully sleeved and everything. So I don't know. Congratulations. You got a big race program. You have money. I don't have money like that. But end of the day, whoever has more money is definitely going to win. Weight, money. I mean, it's pretty simple, guys. See you guys out there on 2024 season. Power Cruise, make sure you guys get out there. There's a lot of competition. Different cars. They're not just all like 700, 800 wheel, 9 to 2,000 horsepower cars out there. They are seriously CRVs up there. I'm not even kidding. So, see ya.